Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. Let's talk about the bullish and bearish scenarios here. So I can tell you that HBAR is currently holding Fibonacci support. We are dealing with a scenario in which the B wave of a larger correction, a large ABC structure actually, the B wave might have bottomed in December 22. We've seen after that a three-wave move up, which I'm labeling as an ABC structure, which is not clearly bullish, but as long as we're holding a higher low, it could form a larger diagonal pattern to the upside, where the ABC pattern was a wave 1, and then this is a wave 2 pullback. And if that's the case, then the bulls need to turn up here to start wave A of 3 to the upside, and the third wave should actually reach the 30-cent mark or higher. This is obviously a difficult scenario because with these diagonal patterns, okay, if the subwaves are just corrections, it's just not clearly bullish. We can give the bulls a chance as long as we're holding, let's say, the upper micro support area. This is highlighted here in orange. It's the smaller support area above the main support. And it's between 4.8 cents. We haven't broken it, only with a couple of wicks, but not a sustained break. And it's between 4.8 cents and 6 cents. Would take minimally a break above the last high at 6.5 cents to indicate that a low has formed in wave 2 and that wave A of 3 has started to the upside. There's an invalidation point, so there's a difference between support and invalidation. If we break support, it's becoming a little bit more likely that we're going to see invalidation, but the invalidation point is, there is no wiggle room then if we break that level, And that's down here, the red line at around 3.6 cents. I mean, below that level, the 1-2 setup is clearly invalidated, okay? So that's what I'm watching for. Below the invalidation point, the price could drop down to 2.2 cents. Below that, even on the long-term chart, there is nothing bullish left. So that doesn't mean I'm necessarily bearish. I'm just skeptical until we see a small setup on the smaller time frame, and then we can start to track the white scenario, but only if that small upside setup is happening before we break below the invalidation point at 3.6 cents. I already told you where the third wave should go to, provided that the wave 2 has bottomed, because these targets will change based on lows. So if we form another low, the target area above will change. Let me actually change it already here, just to a different color. And if we then get to a third wave target, so 30 cents plus, afterwards I can bring support onto the chart for an internal fourth wave, and then we can watch the fifth wave up, which could take us even higher. But I'd say let's first see if the bulls can actually make a comeback, take the price above that 6.3 cent level. And this is what I'm looking for, as long as we're holding above the red line. It's just that it hasn't shown yet. So for now, I think we just need a bit more patience, and we are watching for a break above the September high at 6.4 cents. That's the update about HBAR. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.